We have trading strategy here, trading with Quotex web trading platform. We used to trade using the Keltner channel and the MACD. With 10 seconds trading duration, we will find a good spot to trade and get some winnings. Take a look at our chart here. The candle bars are out of our Keltner channel, and a high chance that the trend will go up for the next 10 seconds. Also, our MACD2 average lines will be crossed, generating consecutive green candles. It's the best way to trade higher. Make sure to practice on a demo account first before trading on a real one. Another trend confirmation here. It goes above our Keltner channel with a high chance of going lower for the next seconds. It already creates red candle bars initiating a downtrend. Let's wait for the best momentum to go lower. The two average lines will tend to cross with consecutive red bars. A good trading spot here to trade for 10 seconds. We got lost on that trade. We will trade for another one going lower, as this charting position forces the market to go lower. Next time we will use the martingale method for loss recovery. Let us find reliable charts to trade. We have another instance here. If the two average lines are distant from each other, then our red bars here reach its tallest bar. A high tendency that the trend will go up with the corresponding reversal candle here. Good trading result. Let's trade with another currency pair. An uptrending trend here. We will wait for the good momentum to trade. It's in outside of our Keltner channel. Our two MACD lines will cross. At the same time it generates consecutive red bars with a reversal candle here. Let's trade lower. Good trading result. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest trading strategies with Quotex and have free trading tools for free.